So hello everyone, it's been a very long, tiredful day and you could see me sweating out. It's all because of the Navaratri decoration which I have just completed. Come on, I'll show you about it. So this is the Golu stand which we call, and it is powder coated iron based, but earlier days my ancestors used to keep it in wood, but of course now we don't get those products. So we purchased it like 4 years back and it costs around 6500 from the Chennai. So after the Navaratri celebration we just dismantle it and we keep it in the shelf or a loft, so we preserve it and we just take it out during the next celebration. So this is a carton box where after the celebration we take each idol and we wrap it up with a paper and also a cloth, and then we just wrap it in a neat way and we place it inside the carton and we put it in the loft. So this remains there untouched for a year. So I just opened it up and it's all looking fresh, same like how we packed a year back, and this is how this is being passed for years. I'll be speaking more about this in the video. Alright, so you can see these idols. These are about 40 years old, so which has been preserved from my father's generation and has been passed on to me. So I think this is the first idol which my father had purchased back in 1980s. So it's still with the almost same quality, not a much of a difference. So the other things, so these are the idols which we bought. So these are some of the things which we had brought recently. Speaking about Navaratri, like I want to tell about like 10 key points on why this is being celebrated. I know there are lots of videos in YouTube about the stories, so I'm not going to again repeat that out, but I'll just share with you whatever has been my findings or my observations throughout these Navaratri celebrations. So point number one is, we preserve these idols, as I said, for nearly 40-50 years. It's sometimes I have seen for more than 100 years also, where my great grandmother, so those things are passed on to the newcomers in the family. So they teach us how to preserve things for long period. So sometimes the idols are preserved for nearly 100 years. You know, this is preserved, this has been passed for somewhere near 30 years. So when I was a kid, this Krishna was there. So it's nearly 30 years. So what they teach us to preserve, how to preserve things and how to save for the future. Second is the graphics designing, which we speak now. This has been implemented way back, like 100-200 years back, where we keep idols of different color combinations. The combinations are painted so beautifully. So these are so this guy, he's a big brother and this guy is a little one. When I was studying my schooling, they both came. Okay, so as I was telling, the graphics designing has been implemented so beautifully with the color combination setting up, so they know what colors to paint, what will look good and what will fit. The third one is, when the Navaratri function starts, these decorations are done by everyone in the family. So even the little one. So if you see, the last two steps has been dedicated for my kids. The top one is for my daughter and the bottom is for my son. So I'll let them keep their own toys in these two things, and moreover it's a complete teamwork where everyone help each other during this decoration. So it's kind of a teamwork. They teach us how to work in team. That's point number 3. Point number 4, as these are passed on to generation, not only the idol, the memories are also passed. As you can see, many of these idols, when I see them, I remember of my childhood, my memorable, enjoyable days, school days, all these functions, how we have celebrated all those things. So it's all more of an sentiment or an attachment kind of thing. That is point number 4. Point number 5, it teaches how to value each objects. It's not just like from this little one, I can show you this. So where these are very minor things, but even this is being preserved using paper and a cloth to stay fresh for a year. So after Navaratri, we just keep it inside and they come out only during the Navaratri period in the next year. So they teach us how to preserve or how to value every object. That is point number 5 which I observed. Point number 6 is, this helps the potters, the people who make these things, who which is the bread and butter for those who make these idols. This Navaratri function helps them because we buy all these idols. Of course, now the china clay and porcelain, everything has come, but it used to be only mud made toys. So they will be benefited, their livelihood will be taken care of. That was point number 6. Point number 7, earlier it was just mud based idols. As you can see, this is almost again 30 years old, the Venkatachalapati. So being a mud based, it's complete nature. So they teach us how to mingle with the nature and just be with the nature. That's point number 7. Point number 8 is interesting. During Navaratri we have like 9 days, and where 9 days we make food using sprouted grains from 9 different varieties. So that helps in addition of 9 varieties of grains to our body. So every day we'll make one unique type of grain. We take the grain, we take the sprouted grain, and we make a delicious snack. Point number 9 is, apart from these, the Golu, which we call setting up, we also have the cultural celebration where kids used to recite stotras and they used to recite shlokas and songs. So what happens, they used to dance as well. So what happens, naturally the cultural development starts. So kids used to start preparing for the Navaratri songs and the stotras a week or a month before. Even my neighbors and my kids have prepared the Mahishasura Mardini. So I have helped them prepare it, which I'll be sharing it in another video when they recite it. And the last point which I observed is, we spend together as a vacation where we have the Dasara holidays in the North India. So it's a kind of a mini vacation where 9 days we spend together, all the family being together, and we enjoy these 9 days. So these were some of the observations which I have made from my childhood. I hope this would be an informative video. So enjoy the Navaratri, happy Dasara. I'll catch you up in another video. Until then, take care, bye bye, choose.